If you're looking to own a piece of luxury real estate in the heart of the action of District 9 in modern, majestic, magnificent Singapore, then nothing beats Skyline at Orchard Boulevard. Look at the view. It's absolutely breathtaking. Of course, you have your own personal private lift access. And now, the main course. Let's see this fabulous, gorgeous apartment. Wow! 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 The soaring 5.8 meter high ceilings of your freehold villa loft are truly unique, elevating that sense of modern grandeur. Just imagine entertaining your guests in this lavish dining room. The captivating layout of your master retreat on the main floor is extra special with its soaring ceilings. Plus your own private balcony where you can enjoy morning coffee and simply captivating views. The luxurious master bathroom is a haven of serenity. Top-of-the-line Dagenau appliances in your kitchen, dishwasher, coffee machine, microwave, and even a wine cooler. The upper level is well executed with 2 more generous bedrooms, lots of storage, and ensuite bathrooms. You get to enjoy a large lap pool, green spaces, dining pavilion, and bar. This is Skyline at Orchard Boulevard, the epitome of luxury. You will be kings and queens of Orchard Road. And remember, when you are settled in comfortably into your villa loft, we are going to host your housewarming party. You bring the food and drinks, we'll bring the fun and glamour, and we'll have a fabulous time.